Al Udeid Air Base, located about 30 kilometers southwest of Doha, Qatar, is the largest US military base in the Middle East. Initially established in the early 1990s, it has risen to prominence as a critical hub for US military operations in the region, especially following the events of September 11, 2001. The base serves a multifaceted role, encompassing operational, logistical, and strategic dimensions. Al Udeid is equipped with extensive facilities designed to support a wide range of military operations. First, the airfield capabilities. The base features a long runway that can accommodate large aircraft, including heavy bombers and cargo planes. It houses a diverse fleet of military aircraft, including fighter jets, surveillance, and reconnaissance planes. Next, the base infrastructure. Al Udeid includes numerous amenities such as barracks, dining facilities, and recreational areas. Living quarters for personnel are designed to support both short-term operations and longer deployments. Facilities like gyms, pools, and leisure spaces promote the well-being of service members. Then, operational amenities. There are advanced command and control centers equipped with the latest technology. These centers enable effective coordination for air operations, intelligence gathering, and rapid response capabilities. Moving on to medical facilities, the base has comprehensive medical support, including clinics and trauma care units. This ensures quick response in emergencies and adequate medical support for personnel. Lastly, logistics and supply chain operations. Al Udeid plays a pivotal role in logistics. The base serves as a staging area for troops and equipment, facilitating quick deployments across the region. The significance and strategic importance of the Al Udeid Air Base cannot be overstated. Al Udeid Air Base holds a vital position in US military strategy for several reasons. First, the strategic location, positioned centrally in the Middle East. The base provides rapid access to various conflict zones, including Iraq, Syria, and Afghanistan. Its location is instrumental for quick deployment and engagement with adversaries. Second, as an operational hub, it functions as the principal command and control center for US operations in the region, enabling coordinated air operations, surveillance missions, and intelligence assessments. Third, coalition operations. Al Udeid supports a coalition of international forces, providing a platform for joint exercises, training, and operational planning. This collaborative approach enhances regional security and military readiness. Finally, response to regional threats. The base plays a vital role in ensuring US military readiness to respond to regional threats, including those from groups like ISIS and state actors in the Gulf region. Al Udeid Air Base has been central to various military operations over the past 2 decades. First off, during Operation Enduring Freedom, the base served as a critical launch point for airstrikes and support missions throughout the war in Afghanistan. Then, in Operation Inherent Resolve, it became a key base for air operations against ISIS in Iraq and Syria, facilitating coalition airstrikes and providing logistical support to ground forces. And, it's not just about combat. Al Udeid has also served as a staging area for numerous humanitarian missions around the region, providing aid and support during crises. Fortifications and security are absolutely paramount at Al Udeid, which stands as one of the most fortified US military installations overseas. Its security measures include physical barriers, featuring extensive fencing, vehicle barriers, and checkpoints to control access and enhance safety. The base also relies on advanced surveillance technology, including drones and CCTV, to monitor the perimeter and surrounding areas. Plus, the Al Udeid military base is outfitted with air defense systems designed to protect against potential aerial threats, including surface-to-air missile systems. There are established protocols and rapid response teams trained to address potential security breaches or threats, ensuring the safety of personnel and assets at all times. The Al Udeid Air Base is a cornerstone of US military strategy in the Middle East. Its extensive facilities support a wide array of operations. Its strategic location facilitates rapid military engagement, and its fortifications ensure robust security. The base is not only significant for US interests, but also plays a crucial role in fostering regional stability through coalition efforts, humanitarian aid, and quick response capabilities to emerging threats. As geopolitical dynamics continue to evolve, the importance of Al Udeid will likely grow, making it a critical asset in the US military's global posture.